Hello guys, in this video, I am going to show you some of the best Android apps of the last month of 2024. These apps can completely change your mobile style and take it to the next level. Let's get started. First on our list is Electron, Battery Health Info. This app is perfect for monitoring your phone's battery health and usage. It provides detailed insights about your battery's performance, charging habits, and overall health, helping you extend its lifespan and ensure optimal performance. I've been using a low-quality adapter, which is why my charging details weren't showing properly. But make sure you use only your phone's original company adapter. It helps extend battery life. This app also features a battery alarm function, so you won't forget to unplug your charger while sleeping. Why you need to download this app? If you want to avoid unexpected battery issues and maintain your phone's battery health for longer, this app is a must-have. Next up, we have Rad Walls, Live Wallpapers. Transform your home screen with stunning, high-quality live wallpapers, just like I did with mine. Whether you love minimalistic designs or vibrant animations, this app offers a wide variety to suit every taste. Why you need to download this app? If you're looking to make your phone visually appealing and stand out with eye-catching, dynamic backgrounds, Rad Walls is perfect for you. At number 3, we have Circle to Search. This app allows you to draw simple circles on your screen to instantly search for anything you need. It's a creative and efficient way to navigate your phone faster and make searching a breeze. For example, select an image, hold your navigation button, and draw a circle over what you want to search. It's not just for photos, it works on Instagram too. If you're curious about an object or dress, just circle it and see the result. It shows highly accurate results and is a game changer for speed and efficiency. Why you need to download this app? If you're tired of the usual search methods and want a quick, unique way to find what you need, this app will save you time and effort. So, these were the 3 apps that can truly transform your Android experience. Try them out and let me know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing app suggestions. See you in the next video.